Hello everybody, this is going to be part 2 on the Toro lawn maintenance. This is a Toro lawnmower model 20017. In the previous part I replaced the cable for the engine brake. Now today I'm going to be replacing the grass catcher bag. What has happened over 20 years is it's getting holes in it and generally falling apart. And this seal right here no longer makes a good seal at the rear discharge, and grass kind of blows by here and gets in my eyes, so that's not a good thing. So I've never replaced one of these before, but this should be a straight drop-in replacement part. I looked up my model number, which again is 20017, and I came up with part 107-3779. And here's what the replacement bag looks like. Pretty well identical to this one, except nice and shiny and new. So let me get the tripod set up and we'll get into this. It's just a matter of taking these clips off. Better get my glasses because I'm getting older and need all the help I can get now. So these just undo like so. They kind of roll off the frame, and I'll just work my way around until they're all loosened. So this is looking like it's not going to be too hard of a job to do. And that should just slide off the frame at this point. Well, it will if I take that last clip off. So there we go. We'll toss that one aside. I will grab the new one. Go ahead and slide it in the frame. This one needs to go underneath the handle like that, and then make sure these go past the frame here like that. I'm going to go ahead and attach these first. Go ahead and slide this up. Get that one in. That one was pretty easy. And then I'll line this one up and it rolls on like so. Get it started and it'll roll on there. And that one's on there. And I'll just continue working around. These are a little bit trickier because the clearance is not there. May take a time or two. There's that one. Get this one. There's that one. And I'll go ahead and do this other side, and then I'll do the bottom. And we'll get this bottom section in. Looks like That one's going to be a little tricky and put up a little bit of a fight, but that's okay. I'll get it. Not too worried about it. There, it's starting to go on there. And there it is. That's what it should look like. And that's the last time it'll be that white. Yep, it's got the same handle like the other one did. Now let's fit the new bag on there. Oh, those need to be outside, that little tab there. Beautiful. That looks pretty good. Let's go in here for a closer look. This is what I was more concerned with. I now once again have a nice tight seal on this rear chute cover. So that is great. I won't be getting sprayed with grass clippings, so that's going to be making for an even better lawn mowing experience. So once again, this has been replacing the bag on my 2003 Toro model 20017. Thank you for watching.